What's up, everybody? Out here today with my guy Umid, Captain Umid.
Yeah, out here.
Finally got his boat in the water. About to go do some fluke fishing in the bay for a little bit. It is hot out here. God damn, boy, I'm cooking right now. What is it? About 1 o'clock? About 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I got my guy Rickety's shirt on again. You know, still helping him out a little bit. Make sure you go check out his channel, Rickety Fishing Adventures. My man's getting up there now. Trying to help him get to 1,000. Let's go. But yeah, we're gonna head out to the bay. Try to get some fluke. See if we can get a keeper today. My guy Umid, man, got his boat in the water. I'm happy for him.
Thank you, brother.
He been waiting for this for a while.
6 months.
Yours. All right, let's get these fish. Oh, what? That felt like a lot of weight. Come on, come back. Got him. Dang, man. Thought I had a nice one. You got one too?
Yeah. Sea rod.
Fluke, yeah.
That's a decent size.
Oh, he took my strip.
I got another.
Little baby. You get a picture for the gram, for the story. And it goes back in the water. Oh, my fault. Got another sea robin for some bait. Throw another strip on there.
I think that 50-foot drop is back that way. You see? I think that's exactly where it is. That's it.
No, it's hitting it. Come on, eat it. Come on. Got him. Sea robin strip.
Robin?
No, another fluke. But they tearing that strip up. They coming right over. This hook is way too dull. Way too dull. Stuck. That was a fish? I think I can get hit too.
This could be a nice fucking fluke, bro.
I got one too. See, they going up. They up the hill. You keep starting all the way over there. They right here. Oh, you goat. Oh, look at the size of this guy. This one actually stayed on the hook. Yeah. I got a pack of these.
Fuck, I'm gonna start with
Another little guy. Take another.
Yo, let's fish that marsh that we were fishing between the marsh and Joey. No?
Ooh, what's that?
Sea robin. Feels like a sea robin.
Do you have your tape measure?
There's one right there behind you.
Alright. Sure that's not a nice fluke?
Could be a fluke, but it's wiggling like a sea robin.
Oh, there's two sea robins. Got the double header sea robin. Maybe keep one for strips. You only got one strip left.
Which one you want? Top or bottom one?
Don't matter.
Both the same size.
Yeah. Double header sea robin. Hey, you're wilding with the sea robin today.
Right? Fuck, I don't want to go fucking
Oh, I just got hit too.
Small fluke.
Got your drag mad loose.
Look at the way I hooked him.
He snatched it. What is that? He took it like a big one. I thought it was bigger than this. Little
It's
one.
like the small ones fight like the big ones, and the big ones don't.
The big ones just sit there. Another little guy. He bit it like a champ though. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright, calm down. You going back. Oh, whoa. Thought he was a big one. The way he took it. They tearing this scope up. Every time we come up the hill. As soon as I start feeling it getting shallow, I get hit every time. A little Fluke. Got your mouth wide open. All right. Another little guy. Eventually a big one gotta show up, right? Right here in this spot. Gotta be a big one out there. Another little one. We found the fish though. Yeah, they loving that pink one. Oh!
Keep on deck? Oh, came on.
Yo. That didn't feel like. Oh, look. Whatever it was, is attacking on top. I don't think that was a fluke. They just attacked the bait fish over there too. About to throw that Cashmaster. That wasn't no fluke or sea robin, whatever it was. But they attacking. Oh wait, whatever. The sun came back. Oh, come on. Dropped it. Come on, take it. That might be a fluke. That's a fluke.
Keeper fluke.
Yeah.
Imagine.
I wish. 810 up this pink goat. Oh, what the heck is that? Yo, that can't be a fluke.
It's just swimming.
Yeah, what is that? Shark bait. Ooh, ha ha.
Yo, it's not that was a head down there, probably a big ass shark.
Nah, yours wasn't even moving. All right. Yeah. Oh, shark. Back in there. There's probably old snappers jumping like that. I'm getting hit right now though. That's a fluke.
It's a nice one. It's a keeper.
You got one too? Yeah, and this stuff hitting, it's probably snappers hitting the spearing and stuff on top of the water.
Sea bass.
He's swimming right next to him. See ya. Ugh. That was shit. Yo, what is that? Get the net?
It feels big.
It looks big the way that rod has been in. You sure? Oh, now it looks like it's coming right up. He pumping.
Probably the biggest one we caught today.
Pumping backwards.
Like 17 or 18.
He was pumping. Thought Thought you had something there. See what he is. Probably a heartbreaker. You want to pick?
You're looking right at me, right?
16 and a half. 17. Oh, 16 and a half. Wow. Wow. Come on, take it.
I'm talking about. It's a keeper?
Yo, he's super light.
Let's go in the bucket, bro.
Too small.
You want it? You want it? Was he gonna give it to you?
Oh, shoot.
You trying to hook me, nigga? You caught that on the strip?
Yeah. They loving that strip. 17. 17 inches. Super tan. Real light. Must be sitting right down there in that sand over here. Took off. That was on the ripple of jig. Small. There's gotta be a big one down there. It's coming. There he goes.
It hit?
Yeah. Come on, eat it. That might be a fluke. He trying to swim backwards. Oh, he threw my strip. I got stripped the other one. Another little guy. There he goes. Swallowed that ripple of jig. The heck are they doing? Oh, he dropped it? Oh no, you gonna... Watch your line, watch your line. Wow, wow.
Not bad.
Wow. Then you got the top hook.
Keeper looks like nice.
Ow. Yeah, he was hooked good. He dropped it and came right back. Man, he's looking real good.
This is the tuna chair right here. Here's the tuna. Right here.
The heck?
Crazy, I got hit too, right after you got hit.
They're in the shallow water. Every time we shallow water. All the way. Woo!
Sea rabbit shrimp.
Woo, what you got? What you got? Feels good? Small? Oh, I get hit too.
It's a big ass hook though, bro. Yo, look at that. Keeper Fluke. Yo, that's a big fucking Fluke, bro.
Double up.
Yeah, that's a nice size.
Measure it. There it comes. That's
Yo.
What is that? 18?
Oh,
18.
man.
This is definitely too small. Damn, 18.
You lucky, you son of a bitch. And you lucky it's on camera.
Oh, coming up on the bridge. Wait, you want me to net it?
The gaff.
Want me to net it?
Gaff, son. Yo, that's a 19, baby.
I might make it. And you didn't want to wait till we get to the back of this side.
Woo! That's a 19. On the money.
That might
On
make
the
it.
money. Nah, it is. Look at the fucking mouth on this shit. John Skinner bucktail. With the Fluke strip on there.
Sea robin.
19. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
20, baby.
19 and a half.
19 and a half.
Keeper.
Mouth open.
Keeper.
Woo! Finally. Alright, let's open that bucket up, baby.
Cut his throat.
You wanna believe mine?
Nice.
With the